Hola, mi amigos. We're still poolside in Cabo at CNext with Cosentino, but wrapping this amazing conference up with some fun interactive group breakout sessions with brands such as Benjamin Moore, Four Hands, and Fabuwood. Then we have a fun dinner with sponsors, chill at the pool for some free time, and then party like it's 1999 for the last night before heading back home to LA for one day and bouncing out of the country again for an install in the Caribbean. Here we go on the final day of this unforgettable industry event.
I'm very excited to be joined by Tom Dixon, all the way here from London. Tom founded his multidisciplinary studio in 2002, and they work across furniture, lighting, interiors, and we're going to hear from Tom about how he found himself here today in collaboration with Cosentino last year for Milan Design Week, but also just talk really broadly and expansively about the design industry, what's happening right now, what's keeping you inspired. So enough for me. Tell us about how you're doing, and also tell us about the metamorphic collaboration with Cosentino last year.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button below to get more design content and get a glimpse in the day in the life of this Cali designer.
Okay, so let's walk through these boxes. I'm going to hold up some materials and we'll just talk about them. You guys can see how they make you feel, right? So in this first top left corner are the rigid materials, right? So in the rigid, but that doesn't mean that they're not soft, right? We have wood swatches inside of here and also some stone. The wood, this first wooden swatch is also alder. It's been bleached and burnt, which gives it that old age and character. And you know, anything that feels aged and old, it makes you feel more comfortable. It doesn't feel precious. It feels like you can live with it. So the materials also elicit actions based off of your response. Next to that is old elm. And the elm has been sourced from traditional farmland China, right? So it's made from old buildings, old boats, old doors. So it has lots of character, lots of movement, and a really soft feel. And the last one in the rigid section is stone or marble, right? And like marble and stone, they have a cold touch. Cold items are calming and soothing, but they also have visual texture or even toothy texture, right? Like this really pretty travertine. And toothy texture items are actually grounding, right? They make you feel calm. They bring you back to a sense of place.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Buenas tardes. Mi nombre es Francisco Bautista. Soy wixárika de la comunidad wixárika del norte del estado de Jalisco.
Hello everyone, welcome. His name is Francisco Bautista. He's a master artist from the Huichol tribe in southwest Mexico, and he's very happy to be here.
Nosotros utilizamos los materiales que ven aquí.
This year, we are bringing you the cacao ceremony. At Benjamin Moore, we like to say wellness is our favorite color, and hence this beautiful experience we prepared for you. Much like Cosentino, we believe that A&D is the heart of our business, and it's not just the luxury paint product or our color leadership. It's really about showing up for the design community in ways that matter. So thank you guys for all of the work you do to make the world a more beautiful place. We are so honored not only to be a part of your design journeys, but also your wellness journeys. And one thing I'd like to say about Benjamin Moore before we join with Fernanda and team for the cacao ceremony is we were lucky enough as a company to celebrate 140 years last year, which we are really proud of. And those 140 years are really rooted in research, innovation, and quality paint. We have over 100 chemists, technicians, and engineers in our facilities in New Jersey developing the best paint product there really is. And lastly, we're a global brand, which is so fitting for this experience. All of our retailers are independently owned, which means if you are specifying Benjamin Moore anywhere around the world, you are supporting local business, which is often families who've owned those businesses for generations. And we have an incredible retailer right here in Cabo if you do happen to have projects here.
Yes. Thank you
This is you.
so much.
I feel like I'm back in 2006.
Yeah, exactly. 2006.
That's not mine.
I know, it's really pretty over here.
It's like you're in the water without being in the water.
I know, right?
but this is the new iteration and new generation of all three of these brands. And I think it's really important to have the people that are out in doing the work every day on the stage. Also, our bosses are gone, so we're gonna spill a little bit tea. They're all
3.5 years ago, we were a ramshackle group of people with a lot of good ideas and a lot of energy, and not really a strong direction. So we've been building on that year after year, and now we've built some really good programming. Our
What's up? Strawberry and chocolate? I'll do the strawberry.
Staring at two different views on your window ledge. Coffee is gone cold, it's like time froze. There you go, wishing, floating down, I'm wishing. It's like I'm always causing problems, causing hell. I didn't mean to put you through this, I could tell. We're gonna sweep this under the car.
People, and I want you to see their faces because it's different when we just talk about them. So I'm gonna call them out. And I would like for you all to please come on stage because you need to be up here. So first I'll start with our marketing team. Eduardo, come with me.
Lying down beside you, what's going through your head? The silence in the air felt like my soul froze. Am I just overthinking feelings I can't? This gut feeling I'm trying to get off me ass. I hope we find the missing pieces and just we cannot sweep it under the carpet. I hope that I can turn back the time to make it all alright for us. I promise to build a new world for us two with you. She got cherry lips, angel eyes. She knows exactly how to tantalize. She's out to get you, danger by design. Cold-blooded vixen, she don't compromise. She's something mystical in color lights. So far from typical, but take my advice. Before you play with fire, do think twice. And if you get burned, don't be surprised. Lifted, drifting higher than the ceiling. Ooh, baby, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly? Ooh, sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly? Ooh, sugar, how you get so fly? Sweet talking lady, love how you entice. Sugar with just the right amount of spice. I'm in the loop.
To get to anywhere, maybe we'll make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You got a fast car, I got a plan to get us out of here. I've been working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs and finally see what it means to be living. You got a fast car, so fast enough so we can fly away. We're gonna make a decision. Live tonight and die this way.
Hello, Barbados. Whew. You don't want to miss this monster of an install in the Caribbean. See you next time.
baby girl, you give me 10 ton of fatness. Give me some of that. Thinks with the badness, look how she at. Shape like a death, but I'm not just that. It's a good piece of mentals under the cap. Hot piece of game, I'm love how you chat. Watching every step of the paper, the way you got. Staying in my brain, memory not detached. Mainly my aim is to give it this love.